उनको म्यूट करने वाला दिखता नहीं है। Good evening, student. I am going to start the class. Attendance is very less, but I am not going to stop. I am going to continue. So what we require to run the project? Yesterday we executed one project, and today I am going to execute 3 next project. Fine, guys? So first we require to start the XAMP. So let's check XAMP is working or no. So XAMP is not working. I hope XAMP is installed for everyone. One student was saying that his XAMP is not working or project is not working. So can write in chat, I can connect to his system. Okay. So let us start here XAMP. Now XAMP is started. So I think I haven't shared the system. So let first share me the system. Fine. So I hope you are able to see my screen. So XAMP, how you will check XAMP is working or no? Here you will find XAMP control panel. You will check that it should be running. Here Apache should be running and MySQL should be running. So both should be running for everyone. Fine. Now I have to go and check which project I am going to execute. So where will be the project guy? Where you require to keep the project? Your project should be in the htdocs. All projects should be in the htdocs. Inside the htdocs, I have created a folder interns pro and I am keeping all the project. Fine. So doctor appointment system. One project is doctor appointment system. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. I am going to show a project named doctor appointment system. So you may be aware of the functionality of doctor appointment system to get the appointment of the doctor. So let's see. Yes. So somebody is raising the hand and I think have a problem of connectivity or anything. Any issue, guy? Do you want to talk anything? No. So I'm going to show the doctor appointment system. So doctor appointment system project is kept here. Doctor appointment system project is kept here. I'm going to run. So what is the way of running the project? Where we run the PHP project? PHP is a server-side scripting language and we require to run the server. So our server is running. Now we require to run this project. See here. So first we type localhost. And then the folder name. If project is kept inside any folder. If directly it is kept in the htdoc, then project name. So in my case, all the project I have kept in a folder name intern pro. Click here. So all projects go to browse. I am going to run first doctor appointment system. So this is a doctor appointment system. Fine. So here what are the thing, guy? It's a simple web-based application. It is not just a website, it is a web-based application. So index page has been designed here. And what are the thing? Let's see here. Home. So home, you see some information here. Next is medical college. If any medical college have to show medical doctors. So some doctor names are there. any doctor you can list. It is a static design. Fine. So some about us, something you can detail describe what are the services you are providing, and contact us. So contact us here, something is there, some information is there, and user login. So who can log in? So this is the application part. Who can log in? So patient can log in, doctor can log in, and admin can log in. So let's see what they are going to do here by login. They may be finding some fun here, correct? So patient login. So patient login, it's showing that MySQL unknown database project MMS fine so and so, some error is there. So why this error is there? So error is a part and parcel of project, and we are here to rectify it. Okay. So what is required? What is this error show? This error show that unknown database project MMS. So this is probably the database name, and the project when trying to connect couldn't get the database. Fine. So how we can create the database? Where we create the database, guy? So let run here, browse here, minimize this. XAMPP is working. In this XAMPP, we have MySQL, and if you click on this admin, you are going to reach to the PHP MyAdmin. So PHP MyAdmin is a dashboard which connect with the database, and here you get a graphical functionality to create, operate, view data, anything. So now I am going to create the database, and database name as per project is this one. One student asked question, sir, can I change the database name? Yes, you can change that name. So what name I can give? We can give any name. We can give any name. But when we give the name, change the name, we require to go and change in the project. So as of time being, I will not change. I am going to give project MMS. Okay. Create it. So is it database created? Yes. So what are the things inside the database? Nothing. Why nothing is there? So what it should have? It should have tables. So from where I can get? So I can import from the SQL query. From the SQL query, I can import. So let's go to the project. Interns Pro. So doctor appointment, come here. Do we have database? Here appointment.sql is there. So I'm going to create this. I selected this SQL file. So some student asked, sir, what are there inside? So nothing is hidden, guy. Whenever you want, you can see here. Let's open this. Let's open this here in Notepad++. So here something is SQL feature, SQL mode and time zone. Both is done here. Create table if not exist. Create table if not exist. Fine. So here we are creating one table. So I know you guys know how to create a table. So if not, how you can learn it? See, you can just go to anywhere on the website and find MySQL query how to create table. You can get. I created one table guide, two table guide. I explained bit thing, but many more vast things are there over the net, and you can go and get in-depth knowledge. Okay, I will ignite you to study more and more and more. Okay, so create table here is create table if not exist. Why they are checking? See, having this if not exist a statement, it check before creating that. If already there, it should not create. So blood group. See, in this blood group, so what are the field here? BG ID, blood group ID. What is the data type? Int type, auto increment. So what is auto increment? I hope everybody know. So auto increment, some of the column we create auto increment. So while inserting, we don't require to pass the value. If we are the passing the value, then we will do some mistake. Once we will keep 2 and second time we will keep again 2. So to avoid such thing, we make some column auto increment. So it maintains the primary key feature. Fine. BG name, blood group name, and BG ID is a primary. So what is primary? Having some column primary, it makes that unique record will be there and it will be never blank. Fine. So this table will get created and afterwards we will be inserting some record here. So here blood group information we are keeping. So these are the blood group available in the market, O plus minus AB. So these are the information. Second table we are creating, create table if not exist, booking. So what booking guy? Are you going to watch movie today? Is it? No. Booking for appointment, you can say appointment. So booking ID, D name, which doctor under doctor you are doing the booking, what is your user ID, what is your contact number, what is doctor contact number, what is expertise, what is the fees, and patient name and patient contact. So this is design guy. You have to start analyzing your table should have what field. You are going to become programmer. So you won't think in company, everything they will give and you keep your mind, sir, I came here to work. No? Work means you have to think, you have to analyze here, what are the field you should store for regarding the booking, during the booking. So doctor name is required, patient name is required, contact number is required, address, date, time, payment. These many things is required. So that's why I'm capturing this field in my table. And same thing while booking, we will be here. So here by installing this many default record will go. Okay. Second category, we will be having some category. So what we will keep? Category ID. Okay. See category, what are the category this system is going to maintain? See, different category are there of doctors. Some doctors are specialized for medicine. Some are for heart. Some are for bones. Some are for kidney, cardiologist, plastic surgery, general physician, neurologist. Fine guy, contact. So some information is just for contact. First name, last name, email. Okay. And contact also we are keeping. Fine. So some record are for doctor list also will keep. Data optimization, data normalization. See, some students think that data is going to be in table. So somebody asked that how many table you are going to create. So one student told that one table is enough. No, sir, no. You have to normalize your data. Doctor information should be in the doctor table. Patient information should be in patient table. And appointment information should be in appointment table. And whenever we require, we can join this table and we can get the required output in the program. Fine. So these are the table guy. Next. So these are the field. So doctor, these are the doctor. Even this system can get some donations from different person. We can keep the donation. Fine. And also system can collect the feedback from the patient and the user. So we are also collecting the feedback. And what else? Fine. So registration is there. So many table is there. Now so many record are there. So I want to remove this. I want to remove this. How I can remove? We can remove it. So we can keep only these many records. We can keep only these many records we can insert. And these record also here numbering are different. We can keep 1 and 2. If we do this one, it's going to give error. So for that, what we can do, guys? See, this is a registration table. This is a registration table. So find next, find registration table. In the registration table, username, so many tables are there, users. So I don't think primary key they have created. So if they have created the primary key, then we should keep it from 1 and 2. Auto increment we have given here, so no problem. So let's create now. So we were about to select this. Now I'm selecting this query and I'm going to execute this. So what is the command here to execute? You will find one go button in the down. You find one go button in the down. So let's check here. Go button in the down. Insert into blood group value 1 O positive, duplicate key entry, no problem. Some error came, no problem. So now once the script got executed, we find that this table has been created. So blood group. So this blood group has come, booking has some record, pre-record. Now I don't want to keep so many records, check all. See how you can operate with MySQL, PHP MyAdmin. I want to keep one record. I'm going to delete rest. I'm deleting rest. Fine. So these are the operation guide, and this thing you will learn by operating this. Category. So what are the category? These are the category. You want to add one category, contact. So these are the contact. Doctors. So these are the doctors. You want to change some doctor, you want to delete some doctor, you can do donation, fine. So now our database got created and I'm going to check with this project. Okay, click here. So now I won't find any error. Same time, we don't know what is the username and password. So where I can find the username and password? See here, different kind of login is there. Here. User login means patient login, doctor login, admin login. So first, which one we should check that? First, we should check the admin login. So where we will get the admin table? Patient, donor, doctor, contact, booking. So let's check doctor. So here all doctor name are there, then user ID and patient are there, contact. Booking you check. Booking, in the booking, D name, user ID, password is not there. Blood group, contact. Okay, contact, doctor, patient. Okay. So maybe hard coded, maybe this system have hard coding admin and admin. If not, we are going to check with the code. We can find. You are going to be owner of the code, so you should be able to find. So login not happen. Is any help file here in the project? Is any help file? Okay. So install.txt. Patient login, doctor, user ID, password. So patient admin login is not there. Let's come here. Which page it's calling? Admin login.php. It's calling admin login.php. Admin. Admin login.php. We will go to this source code here. Doctor's appointment system. Admin login home index.php. So from here we are going to index.php. From here, we are going to index.php. So let's go to index.php and check what are the thing here. So from there, here index.php is not there. So here only index.php is there. Blurred, okay. Include footer, header. Invalid username and password. We require to find the username and password. So first we will go to doctor. First we will go to doctor because doctor username and password are there. So doctor's login. So what is the doctor's username and password? Doctor 1015 and password is 123. 1015 user ID 1015 and password is 123. 123. Fine. Let's get login. So we got login to some doctor. This is a doctor. So you want to change this. Contact number. User ID. Neurologist, just update this. So record updated. So this is a doctor profile. So what doctor is going to get here? What doctor is going to get here? Doctor can see their appointment. Sorry, no match found for your search health because recently no appointment has been done. He can know the customer date, booking, phone number, ID, customer detail. Okay. He can add some description and he can see his profile, choose his photo, any photo we can give. Fine. So you can update his, these are the thing doctors going to have in this application. So this is a small web application named doctor appointment system. So we can log out. So what is patient is going to get here? So how patient can log in? So as of now we have patient can log in by email ID and password. Here password is 1234. So let's try to log in. Maybe change, I deleted some of the user. So we'll go to the database, and we'll get another username and password. So anytime we can forget, guy, we don't have to worry. We have to just learn to find it. So patient, I deleted some of the user ID. Patient. Fine. So these are the patient. Okay. So patient having ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now we have, okay. So we get login by mail ID. Fine. We get login by mail ID. So let's edit something. So here, Bangalore, keep it. Here we say hello, and here we say hello. Fine. So let's catch this email ID, update here, and try to log in by this. So here email ID is this, and password. What was the password, guy? So password is 123. Password is 123. We should able to log in. Yes. So user got login. Fine. Welcome to your panel. So why this is there? So whatever photo you keep, that is going to come. So what user can get here? So user can see his detail. User can see his detail. If anything want to change, he can change here. He can search doctor. So he can search doctor here, Bangalore, and here neurologist search. So did he got any doctor? Yeah. So he got a doctor, Dr. Alok. Fine. So search doctor. So search functionality is inside Mysore. Is any doctor, cardiologist? Maybe not there. Sorry, no match found. So view appointment. Sorry, no match found on your search because he hasn't put any appointment. So feedback also he can. Dr. Alok is a very good person. He can give some feedback. Fine. So he can give the feedback. Log out. So now I go to log out. So you seen guy, what are the things patient can do here in the system. So I require to show you admin login. Fine. So I'm going to just search. When I click here, it's going to admin and admin login page. Already we have opened admin login page. Admin login page here. So admin login page is redirecting to menu href navbar default. So here, okay. See here, username and password. Fine. Required. This is a login. So admin status config.php. Select a star from user where username is equal to this and password. So do we have any users table? I think we are missing the user table. Do we have any users table here? Here user table is missing because we got one error. So what I am going to do, I am going to search here users table. Let's find here users table. So there was a users table. So now what I should do, now my table not got created. Now my table not got created. So what I can do, very simple, I can take this and we can go and create there. So where I should go, guy? Here. Where I should run my script? Here SQL is there. While executing this SQL script, you check in the top which table is there. So this is going to be in patient. So we'll not do like that. First we'll click on the database name, then click here and then paste here. So here this is going to create a user table and also it is going to insert a record, insert into user name and password. So username is admin and password is admin. That's why I try, but this hasn't created. That's why I failed to log into the admin. So is anything else left here? Maybe left here. So how we can check there? So afterwards, nothing is there. Afterwards, alter table password. So I can try to create this also. We can alter the table. So what is the meaning of altering the table? So does not the table, this table is also table password doesn't exist. When required, we will correct it. Fine. So let's see guys now. Now we will try to log in. So username is admin and password is also admin, and I hope I should able to log in. So did it go to login? No. So let's first refresh it. Let's refresh it. So admin and password is also admin. User login.
Sir, invalid password, why, sir?
Yeah, why? That's why I have to check. Just now I created this table. Admin and password I given admin.
Okay.
Given admin, it should get login. So login is not happening. No problem. We'll make it. Don't worry, I never worry, I do it. That's the
Okay, sir.
see project MMS. Now two tables are there. One is users. So here username is admin and type is admin and password is different. In here another table is this one. So I am not sure which table I am using here. So how we can confirm here? See, we have a page here, index page. So let's check and confirm which table we are using here. So just now I got some information here in the admin. This is a admin login. Just now we seen here. Okay, just now we seen admin. Okay, admin login. So see which table guy? Users, where username is this and password is this. So here is the database users. Fine. So see here in this table, what is password guy? Password is not admin and I cannot edit. So how I can make it editable? Anybody have idea? Here primary key is not created. So I go to the structure of the table. I select username and here we click on the primary. Fine. So primary, do we require to save this? Select this one and create primary, and create index. No, I require to save somewhere. Partition mode, partition console. It should get duplicate entry admin. Okay, there is a duplicate entry. That's why I'm not able to create primary. So what I can do? Guy? We can do anything? You know, delete a statement. Here we can write delete a statement. Okay. Delete from users. We can execute this. Fine. So record execute deleted. So do you see anything? So from where now we can get record? I can insert. So username I am going to give admin and password I am going to give 1 2 3 4 5 6 and type I am going to give admin and we will have only one record and now it is going to connect. Just refresh this. So here now admin and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Login. So we got logged in. Yes. So I got logged in and here I see all the list of doctors. So doctor, this one already left the hospital. So what I can do, I can delete this, update this. All registered doctors. So here registered. Okay, so add doctor. So new doctor came. So who is the new doctor guy? New doctor, anybody can be doctor. So what are the information required? So full name, address, contact, email, these are the field for the doctor. Also, we can keep the photo of the doctor. Anyway, I'm going to send you the project. So you will operate. One day you will operate. And then you can ask me if any query. View doctor. So here we can view. That's why in view we cannot do anything. View patient. So these are the view patient. Here we can see the patient. View appointment. So here we can see the appointment. View feedback. So who is giving what feedback? Alok given. Dr. Alok is a very good. So we can give this one. Fine. So this is a admin panel, guys. So this project having three parts. One is patient part, one is doctor part, and one is admin part. So this can serve as to get the online appointment and treatment. Correct? So now I'm going to stop this project. So like that, we have another project that also I'm going to explain, and you will be getting report of the project. So how you are going to install the project guy? You have XAMPP running. You will get this project. You are going to copy into XAMPP htdocs folder. You are going to copy this into htdocs. You will be creating a database by the same name. You will be getting the file. Same name you should create database and you should run the project. So how to run the project? Localhost. So you will be not having this folder. You can directly keep in whatever project name. Fine. So again, you will get the repetition of same thing in the another project, and slowly I think you will not able to forget. Fine, guys. So this project got over. So let's come and start the new project because we have less time and we have covered more projects. So doctor appointment system. So you will be getting one report also with this project. Let's come to the new project. So food ordering system already be given. Food ordering system already be given. And you know the new generation see doctor appointment system and similar project is hospital management system. So you don't require big project, you require a small project. So hospital management system is a small project and I would like to show right now. Fine. So it is a small, not very small. Help file is there. Here in this help file, you will get the login. In this help file, you will be getting the login. Fine. In this help file, you will be getting login, rename. You can change, give the hospital management system, HMS. Okay. Fine. So in this project, before executing this project, let's have a look on the project. What are the things kept here? Assets are some standard folder where we keep the JavaScript and images we keep. Okay. So sometimes we name it some standard naming convention. Color also here something they have kept separately. All are CSS file. CSS you can create a single file or you can create a multiple file depending on. Fine. So also separate CSS is there. Fine. So font images are here. All images are kept here. Fine. So masters. So admin panel is there. Admin panel is there, and these are the different page. And you know in PHP page we keep header separately. In index page is the default page. You must be knowing the structure of the project. Patient search. So these are the things. Fine. So now I am going to run this project. So how we can run this project? What is the process to run the project? We will be not checking the XAMP. XAMP is running. Everyone here, everyone are here having the session started. So we don't require to start again. Fine. So here I'm going to start localhost and I'm keeping all the project in a folder name intern pro. Fine. Oh, so intern pro, why this came directly? I don't want to come here. I want to go to the folder. In the next project I'm going to start. I'm going to HMS, hospital management system. So see here, this is hospital management. Some students say, sir, no, I don't want Sir Sainath Hospital. Near my house, Aveksha Hospital is there. You give guy. I am giving you the project. Don't you show to the guy directly that you did internship. That is not internship. Internship means you should also do. I am guiding you. So how you can change? So everybody know how you can change the name of this project? Any question, anybody don't know? Raise the hand, raise all hand if all are not knowing. Will you able to change the name of the project guy? Can anybody raise the hand? Who cannot do? It's nothing same here. Here nothing same is there. If you have confusion, you are here to ask. You came only for learning, not to teach me. So you know guy, everybody know. I consider everybody know. Still I will like to change this. So you have to try to understand. Sir, this project is running. I don't know which page is there. See guy, by default, this is going to be index.php. By default, the first page is going to be index.php. So we have to search. We have to go and search index.php. So where is index.php? Index.php is not found. Is it possible? No. So we found the index.php. How we can open, where we should edit? Many editors are there. So very simple is Notepad++, very light opening, doesn't take any time. Fine. Here, whatever there, I am going to remove. Can we open complete project here? Yes, you can open. How you can open? Open folder as a workspace. So let open here. Where is the project? Where I should go? C drive, XAMP, and AST docs. Okay. So are you finding guy useful or interns pro? So project is HMS, complete project I opened here. So going here to there will be very easy. Fine. So here where I should change, here title is SNS. No. See, there is a hospital, or let's change to Ramaiah Hospital. So everybody is aware of Ramaiah Hospital, correct? I hope you all are in Bangalore. So you may be knowing Ramaiah Hospital. So I am going to change the name here. Title will be Ramaiah Hospital, Bangalore. So where title will be coming and where name will be coming, let's find here. See here, anything is there, anonymous cross section. Fine. So let's get here. So in the header section, any title bar, I am not finding. Home, about, navbar. So this is the hospital. So some students say, sir, no, sir, I don't know sign off. So I'm changing this Ramaiah Hospital, make it R capital. Okay. Also, we can show the logo. Save this. Save this. Let run here. Run this now. So here now Ramaiah Hospital, it got changed. So this is a front page. So just hold on 1 minute. So guys, so this is Ramaiah Hospital. Now in the front page, what is there? Here title also came, Ramaiah Hospital, Bangalore. In the title, any patient can register as a patient. So I am sick, so I am going to register here. Okay, I am going to register here. Email Alok, Sunil, whatever I want to give, Sunil @gmail.com. Fine. Phone number, nobody is checking. Password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and confirm also 6. So register mail, already have a register. So some, okay. So guy, I'm getting error in this project. What to do? Anybody have idea? What I should do here, guy? I am showing you the error, and if you can guide me, it will be great help for me. Please have a look. What I should do here? Anyone? Did you guy got any help here for me? Anybody got help for me? I am now in look of your help. So what is the error, guy? Why error is there? Anybody? No answer. You didn't understood why the error is there. At least one, okay. So any answer, guy? Okay, fine. So I have the answer. Wait one. Fine. So answer is, now I'm going to share the screen. So on chat, somebody database in line 3 should change, sir. Fine. So some help I got and I'm going to work based on this. Some help got and I'm going to work based on this. Let me share the screen, guy. Let me share the screen. So first I should create a database, because just I started the project and we not configure the database. And here it says that my HMS DB. So let's create. This is the database name used in the code, but it doesn't restrict us to use the same. Still, I'm going to create the same due to time shortage. Otherwise, each and everything I can change and show you the project. Fine. Only thing, one project making will take 10-15 days. So if you have time of 15 days, I can do. But time is not there. So we have to do in short and make you learn. Fine. So new database I'm going to create. My HMS DB, just create, guy. My HMS DB, and it got created. Import this. So why import, sir? Why I should import this? Importing is required. Importing is required because just having the name, see, why you should think and look and understand and ask question. Same way, you have joined the class, but you are not listening me, is like that, just creating the database. So I'm going to create here HM database, importing the database. So let import the database, let import the database, let import the database, let import the database. Let import. So database should be there. Database is where? I think database is not here right now. It may be doctors HTML. How we can find here? .SQL. .SQL. Okay. So is it .SQL is there? Help file is there. SQL file is not there. So I'm going to stop this project. Tomorrow I will show this project. Don't mind, guys. It is there in my local somewhere. So I will create, I will get it, and I will show you. Fine. So let's go to other project. So next project is gym management system. So everyone love here to go to the gym. So let's run here. Database is there. Yes. Here I have kept the database, this one. Fine. So here we have kept this one, gym management. But before creating, or let's create database only first. Let's create here database first. Let's create database first. So cannot create database gym DB because data exists. So data already exists here. So that is good sign, database is already here. So now we are going to run that project. Now we are going to run the project. How we should find the project? Here we go in gym management, this one. So this is the gym management. So some students say, sir, I want to change this one. So change it. Nobody will stop. When you give this project, before giving the guide, you should work 10 to 20 hours on this project. That is the real internship, and that's how you learn. So how you can change? This is known as slide. And if you go in the project, you can see if you go to the project, you can see these pictures. Gym here, and include file is there, upload file is there, image file is there. Here you see a lot of Here you see a lot of pictures. Extra large, we can see this picture. I think is probably the slider. So what is the size of the picture, guy? So this is probably one of the slider. So how you can check the size of the picture? Sir, I kept the picture is not coming properly. So this is gym membership. So where you can check the size of the picture, guy? Here 1200 by 703. So at least this size. So which picture you like, guy? Where we can find picture? Here we can find gym management. Let gym management system or something you put and go to the Google. You see some good pictures here. So this picture you like? No, it is not. Gym HD banner. So you want some good picture to be here. So is it good? Which one you like? Some size and all you have to map. Keep going. So you like this. So what is the size? It is good size. So it is good size. Let's go there and change this. Save as. So where to save as? Where we should go? We should go to the project XAMP, PHP docs, here intern pro, gym management, SQL file, images. So here this picture is running as of now. I'm making a copy of this. Okay, I'm making a copy of this, and this what I have downloaded. I'm like this. So what's happened, guy, here? So this picture, do you want some other picture also? You can get multiple picture. So now close this. That much we are not going to change. So our project is running now. Our project is running. So is it picture got changed? Let refresh. Yes. So picture got changed. So this way you can change any picture. This way you can change any picture. Okay. Any picture you can change. So sir, somebody say about us. Sir, I have something. Or some of the students want to open. So you change this text from anything, whatever you write, mission, vision. So here you want to change. Here you want to put a small slide. We can put a small slide. Fine. So this is a gym management. So here this is some banner is here. And here package, you can view details. So these are the package. No, sir, monthly charge is very much. Change it. Be package.php. How you can change it? Here you will find one page here. See, try to learn how you will able to change. This page I want to change, and here I am into package.php. So here we go and find the package.php. Here we go and find package.php. Where is package.php, guy? Here we can find package.php. Package.php. Where is package.php? So this is a different project I am searching here. So wrong. First, I should include this project. So open folder as a workspace. Leave HMS and gym management. Okay. Gym management. Okay. So gym management. Okay. So here we'll find package.php. So package.php, I don't find any data to change here, correct? Do you see any data guide to change? So from where it is coming? It is coming from the database. So once we will connect to the admin, we will change from there. Fine. Understood, guy? So these values are coming from database and we will change from there. Fine. So go home page. You want to change the facility. So you have different facility and different picture. You can go and change. Okay. I don't know anything about this gym, but I know about this project. So you don't ask, sir, what we don't have cardio and I want this one, that one. Whatever you want, you are learning here design and you can change the content. What's happened suddenly? Is any? Yes, be silent. Fine. So let's share again. So like that you can change. Let you start changing. We'll try to send you by tomorrow the project, and then when you face problem, there will be a questionnaire session. So you can ask all the questions. Fine. So contact us. So why this contact us, sir? They can call phone now. So you have to see what is the market standardization guy in corporate and the company. Anybody can send query from here. Okay. And people can reply, company can reply. So what is the main thing in this project? So what is the, it's a gym management, not online gym. See, any person go to gym. So in the gym they will go. So admin will maintain one file who are member of gym. So what is username and password? I don't know. So I'm entering here admin and admin. Suddenly a student, because I have experience, a student start asking, sir, what was the password? Nobody know password guy. Password you learn how to find it. Password will be in the database and you should able to find. So here this photo, if you want, you can change. So try to see what admin can do using this project. So admin can see all the member here. First, as soon as we get login, this is referred as dashboard. So admin will get some view of the system. So there are only 3 members. In today trainer are 4 and total package is 4. Very good gym guy. We should join here only. Total member is 3. Only 3 members are there. So you all have to register here. I should make online. All will register. Everybody want. So I can give you, make you. So here only 3 members are there. Okay. And I also joined maybe 1 year before, but still I am member. So here register new member. Admin will only register and will keep the record for their internal use. It is not online. Okay. So trainer detail, who are the trainers? So these are the trainer. So register new trainer. So from here, new trainer can be registered. Fine, go back. So what is their package detail? I was telling you cardio and charge is this. So you say, sir, no, this is too much high. Let's change here. So let's see, guy. Do we have any option of changing? It's not there, nobody. So, but we can create new package. And I don't know what are the other packages in the gym are there. So based on that, we can create the new package. Go back. So what is our payment details? So who paid and who not paid will be here. So some payment ID, this amount, this customer ID, this cash. So anyone new pay, admin can make a record here. Admin can make a record, payment detail, view inquiry message, view inquiry message. Fine. Log out. So this is the small project. Is it enough for your project, guy, or you feel better than this or bigger than this? Anyone, I want your feedback. This should be enough for the first year student, but you should know the project. You should know how to change, how it works, how is the report, what is there in the report, and you should answer as soon as you go to the guide. You should explain that you have did yourself. Fine. See, suppose this project is done by some colleges, so and so colleges. So what you should do, guy? In that college, you put a logo or your college name. It will make the more like, yeah, student have done something. Fine. So this is a gym management. Its database is created, and whenever you want, you can change anything in the project. Pages are few only, not much pages are there. Any pages, any code you want to change, you can change here. Any question, guy, regarding this project? Will you able to manage this or no? Gym management. So we change one photo. Further, whatever we want, we can change this. So how we can change? we can open the code. Where we can open the code? Here we can open. Is code is open? Yes, code is open. So which page you want to change, guy? So log out, fine. So log out is happen, not happen. Click here to log out. It's logged out, fine. So you want to increase the banner, you can. You want to change this photo, you can change the photo, fine. Packages you want to change, so from admin we can change, or from database. So where is the database? So database is here, gym. This is gymdb. So see here, what are the table here? There is a admin. Many things you can operate here also. You want to change. Some students say, sir, my name is Sumit, and I want so username as a Sumit, and password also Sumit. Change it. You learn to operate, guys. You have to learn. Fine. Contact. So these are the contact. Which doctor will be also there in the gym. So some doctors are there. So what is doctor, guy? So those person who is guiding you in gym are kind of doctor, physiotherapist, correct? Login attempts. So who are how many time getting login? Keeping a record. Who are members? So here only one member is there. So what is password? Password is encrypted. Sir, how I can decrypt the password? How you can decrypt the password, guy? Any idea? Suppose you forget the password and password is encrypted. So how you are going to decrypt? So there is site. Here you do, here you do. Here you do, you go to Google, EMD5 as encryption online. You go to site, and on this site you can encrypt and decrypt. Okay, so here encryption is there, decryption is not there. So you want to give password admin. So if admin you encrypt, how it is going to be, guy? After encryption, password is going to be like this. Suppose you give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So generate. After encryption, it is going to be like this. You want to give the password test at the rate of 1, 2, 3 and generate. So this is going to become like this. Fine. So copy, and this we can go and change. Don't change. Suddenly we will get in trouble and we have to come back and again change. Already it's written. So password, suppose you forget, you can encrypt, decrypt, or you can change it. Package. So package, somebody was saying that, sir, package are too high. I want to lower it. Lower it. You want to edit this? 800, you want to make 500, you can make 500. Go this, fine. You go edit here. 600, go this, change this. So like that you can edit many things in the database. You can edit in the database. So guys, we did completed 2 projects today. We completed 2 projects, and yesterday we completed 1 project. So total 3 projects. Let me check 3 projects. By tomorrow, before tomorrow class, we'll try to get uploaded. Okay. Okay, so you can start practicing. Anyway, I have given you a small project, so you can operate on that also. And next class, tomorrow class, I am going to do minimum 3 projects. So fine, guy. Thanks for your time. I am stopping class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet you again at the same time. Fine. Any question right now, you can ask me. Any query, anyone having installation issue, anyone having the installation issue can ask me right now. If anybody want, I can connect to your system. Okay, it's connecting to your system is not very difficult for me. Within 2 minutes, I can connect to your system and see. Any question, guy, as of now? Anyone having any question, any doubt regarding the project? So do you feel that project is going to be very difficult for you? Will you able to manage? Will you able to explain to your guide what the project you have done. Thank you. Thanks for your time.